Payment proof of how much I am paid just for working 5 minutes every single. All you need to do is copy and paste and you could be making some very good online income. This is all going to be covered in this video, so keep watching it till the end. But before we jump into the content, I would like to tell you that smash the like button so that you can get 100 years of good luck and so that you can get a millionaire overnight. Now the thing is that this strategy works worldwide and you can do it from almost any country in the world and it works 100%. So don't worry about that matter, as well as just type down which country you belong to below in the comment section so that I can make videos which are optimized for your country and so that you can definitely make some good online income in your particular country. And now let's jump into the content and let's start the video step by step in detail, and also smash the like button. Payment proof of how much I am paid just for working 5 minutes every single day. Now you could be also paid this money, so it is $57.62. So this is the proof which I am showing, which is a ClickBank sale proof. Okay, so you can also make this money doing very simple stuff. Okay, I'm going to step by step tell you how you could be making this money very easily using ClickBank. Okay, so now let's jump into the content. Okay, so first we need to go to ClickBank marketplace and we need to choose a product which we want to promote. Okay, now this is very simple and very easy and most of you will be familiar with the process. Okay, you can just follow this process and just get a ClickBank product which you need to promote. And if you are from any country of the world, you can just sign up for ClickBank, which is very easy and very simple. Okay, so for example, I went to ClickBank, I went to the marketplace and I just found this product is really interesting and I just want to promote this product. So you can just click on this promote button, and then if someone purchases this product, then you are going to receive this commission of $134. Okay, so let's just promote this product. Just click on this promote button and you just need to click on this generate hop link and your hop link is generated. Okay, and you just need to copy that hop link. Okay, so this is the first part or the first step of the process. And if ClickBank is not working in your country, then you can work with digistore24.com. that is also a great website from where you can find products which you can promote for a commission. Okay, so once you have done this step one, now you just need to go to this website which is known as Linktree. Okay, now it is available absolutely for free, so you can just go to this website and just click on this add new link. Okay, you can just click on this add new link. You can just add the title, best way to lose weight. This is a type of landing page which you can create with this website and it is available absolutely for free. Okay, so this is something which is the best. Okay, and then you can just do this stuff and you have got your Linktree link. Okay, so you can see this is my Linktree link and now I can share this with anyone, whoever I want to share it with. Okay, so you can just click on you can just copy this link. Okay, just click on the share button and you can just copy your Linktree URL. It is very simple. Almost any one of you can create a landing page just like this, simple landing page which looks just like this with Linktree. Okay, it is very simple. Okay, so now you have got the link and let's just paste the link and see how our landing page looks like. Okay, so I'm just pasting my landing page and let's see how it is looked like. Okay, so here if someone clicks over here, he will be directly redirected to my affiliate link. Okay, so we have got the page and we have got the affiliate link and we have also added our affiliate link to the page. Okay, so that's the step number 2. Once you have completed this step number 2, now I am going to do how I got the sale and what I did for that. Okay, so it is also very simple. You just need to go to over here, which is known as Pinterest.com. We are going to drive lot of free traffic with Pinterest and it is the best. Okay, not YouTube but Pinterest. Okay, so let me open Pinterest, one of my Pinterest pages, and I am driving all the traffic to this platform just from Pinterest. Okay, so this is one of my Pinterest page where I am uploading content from some days, and you can see that I have this page, and you can see there are 38 clicks which happened on my Pinterest page. Now the trick to growing a Pinterest page is that you just need to post consistently on Pinterest, and you could be making money out of it, and you could be receiving this type of commissions. Okay, now let me show you how you can just create a pin on Pinterest. Okay, and it is very easy to sign up and create an account on Pinterest. It is not at all difficult. Okay, so now you just need to click on this create, and you just need to click on this create pin. Okay, so now you just need to select a post which is related to health and fitness, because this is my Pinterest page which is targeted in a niche of health and fitness. So what I can do is I can select any one of the posts regarding health and fitness. Now you can download all these posts from internet. So if you go and search for Google, you can find a lot of images which are related to fitness or weight loss. Okay, now what you need to do is you have created a post, you have uploaded. Now you just need to give it a title like just weight loss program for you. Okay, and then you can just write it down that click the pin for my best recommended weight loss plan. Okay, and then you just need to put in the hashtag and write in weight loss, as I am promoting a product which is related to weight loss. So weight loss, lose weight, health, fitness. So you just need to provide some of the hashtags, okay, which are relevant. Okay, just provide 3 to 4 hashtags. Don't spam the hashtags, don't add more hashtags. Okay, there is no need to do it. Okay, so here the spelling is mistaken. Let's just correct the spelling. Okay, okay, it's okay, it's fine. Just leave it there, just like that. Now you just need to add your Linktree link over here. Okay, so now everything has been done. You have posted an image, you have got the program. Okay, you have written the title which is related to weight loss, and it is containing the keyword. Okay, as well as you have written the description which describes that what is this thing about, as well as you have added your link of the landing page. Okay, if you are going to add direct link of ClickBank on Pinterest, then your account is going to be banned. But if you add this landing page link, then definitely your account is not going to be banned, and you can be making this money out of it. Okay, so this is something which you need to understand. It is very simple and very easy. Okay, and most of you will be able to do it, because you just need to get this type of simple images, and you can download a lot of this from the internet, or you can create this type of images on Canva, which is very simple and very easy to utilize. All you need to do is check out some of the tutorials regarding Canva which are available all over the internet. You can do this stuff, and you can definitely create this type of posts by yourself if you know how to utilize Canva, or if you know how to utilize Photoshop. Okay, it is really as easy as that. But the thing is that you need to put in some action to make this money. Okay, if you are not gonna take action, then you are not gonna make this money, because I have shown you the entire proof of how you can make this money. Okay, so once you have done all this, all you need to do is then select a board. Okay, you just need to create a board when you are having a Pinterest account, and you can create it very easily. And there are a lot of videos on YouTube which show you how to create a Pinterest account, and you can just watch those videos and learn how to create a Pinterest account. But this is the best traffic source from where you can get targeted traffic absolutely for free. Okay, and all you need to do is click on this publish button, and once your post gets published, and it will start receiving traffic. Okay, let me show you how much traffic you can get. So you can see there are 106 impressions on this post, as well as there are 116 impressions on this post. So you get a lot of impressions and a lot of link clicks when you post this type of stuff on Pinterest. But the thing is that you just need to target one niche, and only after that you can get traffic from Pinterest, and that is targeted traffic. But if you are just posting some random stuff, then it is very difficult to get traffic from Pinterest. And the thing is that you need to post 4 to 5 posts every single day, and the consistency is the key to success in this method. Okay, so if you are consistent with this, this and you are posting every single day 4 to 5 posts, then definitely you could be making this kind of money from Pinterest, and that is a passive income. Okay, you are just working 5 to 10 minutes a day and still earning this kind of very simple income, and that is easiest thing to do, and most of you will be able to do this. And definitely smash the like button if you like the video, got some value out of this video, and we'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay happy, stay subscribed.